Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Aman's World. Today I'm going to show you water fountain experiment. For this experiment, I have balloon, thread, straw, water bottle and water mixed with food color. Put the water in the water bottle. Blow the balloon and keep at the top of the water bottle. See, the water is going to the tray. You know why it is going to the tray? Because of the air pressure inside the water bottle. It's very